Hello, welcome to a video.
So, it's Christmas, and I haven't uploaded anything for Christmas. So, Merry Kwanzaa. Anyways, so, yeah, I got a slash. That's why there's cardboard on the floor. Anyways, so, I'm going to start building, but I need a backup camera angle because this GoPro is not going to see the morning. I'd like to interrupt the time lapse to say, well, it's supposed to go right there. It's going to stay there unless it wants to go in later. So, we have gone far. You may have noticed I put the chicken rooster thing there. If you didn't, you can watch that. I'll reset it every hour. And then it'll go off and stop spinning. But, this is the first time where I will now need to install the chassis. Anyways, so here's basically just an update on how things are going. But you've watched it all. Well, I have held it near me sometimes. So basically, rear assembly done. The car is almost drivable. This would go in place of where this chassis is right now, but it does not need to because this chassis lowers it. There's the normal chassis, which is somewhere. Does not need to be lower. Anyways, same bolt holes, just different. So that's the update, which means this is the first part that is for sale. So yeah, if you need a new chassis or something, or if you want a chassis, you can buy that. Anyways, yeah, along with the rest of the high mount chassis. Another update since the car's starting to look like a slash. So, I'm not going to be able to put on all the shock absorbers right now, or you won't get to hear the chicken go off, which is horrible, really. Like, it's the chicken. Anyways, so what I'm going to do is I'm still going to put them on, just not both of them. So it's not them, it's one. I'll put on the other one if I either stop the video. Yeah, I think I'm going to just stop the video and look for it. So that way if I vacuum, I don't just lose the bolt forever. Anyways, so yeah, the chicken's going to jump a little bit next time, and after this recording's over with the update. Rear bumper's on. I made a mistake. I think it's supposed to have flat ones, and then the little ones go on the shocks, which is kind of annoying. Next on the instructions is the front assembly. And yeah. So this battery only has 14% left. And that's why the chicken jumps sometimes too, is because I'm switching the GoPro battery. Anyways, so yeah, we're pretty close. And yeah, holding a contest on Matthew's Discord to decide what my paint will look like. But I might just choose it myself if no one wants to. Hopefully they do, otherwise, ooh. You don't want to see what I'm going to choose. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Guess what, anyways. If the contest isn't over, you can go look at it. It probably is, though. Let's be honest. Anyways. So yeah, chicken's going to jump. I'm just going to look for the bolt. I want to have the actual bolt and not just dangling stuff. So yeah. Chicken's going to jump.
In 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I'm just going to do an update.
I couldn't find it. The chicken is probably going to go off. I'm going to take a break because I've been sitting in crisscross applesauce, I guess, for a while. However, I just want to point something out. Because the car's front half is the only thing left. Now it shouldn't be too hard because I'm about to start it. But I'm going to take a break first, so if the chicken goes off, it's because my back hurts, alright? Also, I couldn't find the bolt. I think I've already said that, but I'm not going to look through every single bag since it's not there. And yeah, I can probably get a replacement bolt though, screw. It's a screw or is a bolt. Either way. Yeah, maybe I'll put on one shock. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to take a break.
Okay, we're back to another section
Of That Thing Sucks. That one does too. Because it was the wrong one. Now, we're talking about these E-clips. Why? Why?
Alright, we're into the
Final pieces of the car. Alright, except for that one suspension bolt. So that's sad. I'll find it later. Anyways, so the front's done. And you can see how it goes on. I won't demonstrate. And, well, now, that is what we're doing next. However, you might notice there's already a chassis on the car. Yeah, that's because I'm using a lower center of gravity chassis, so that way I don't put it on later. Anyways, so let's begin construction. But first I need to open that bag. Yeah, anyways, I'm going to have the chicken like that, and it will stare you into the eyes if you watch it closely.
Okay, the car is basically done, and I have brought a special guest.
It's Cozy, the cat. No, don't eat that. No. Anyways, yeah. Car's done, just the wheels, and I broke that. Hey, I wasn't getting it on correctly. Anyways, yeah, it's broken. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. No, no. She was eating it. Here, this is something you can eat. It's going to get beat up anyways. No, no, stop. Stop it. No. Cozy. Cozy. Anyways, yeah. Car's done. I'm going to fix that. Then, well, I need replacement parts. And then, the car is done. So that's exciting, right, Cozy? Okay, bye, Cozy. Welcome to Baja California. It's cooking. Well, not Baja California. We gotta wait for the loading screen first. If you know what game it's from, good job. Anyways, time for a little thing. So, sound effect. And then, and you hear playing sound. I'm going to play the game soon. I just have to beat a different one. Anyway, so you hear playing sound, and then you see a Polaroid or something, and drop onto a map of the car you chose, and then bada bing, bada boom. In Baja California, where it's cooking. And sand seems to get everywhere. Anyways, so yeah, that's... Anyways. So, this is not going to be the first time driving the car. I already drove it for a good reason. Also, it broke, basically. It wasn't broken. I blame the bearing that makes the gears turn. Yeah, anyways. I could show you, but I don't feel like taking the car apart. So anyways, let's add in the pins. And then the first to drive while on camera. And then eventually I'll paint it. But first, I have to figure out how I'm going to paint it. Okay, there you go. So, now. Ta-da, it drives by itself. Wow. Okay, yeah. And now, all it needs are some stickos. Yeah. I mean, that would work. Anyways, yeah, once stickers on, the car is done. So yeah, it's not going to be time-lapse though, it's going to be a complete surprise. Well, it might have Big Bird.